Silver Bullet Technologies Logistics Software Online Training. Learn and upgrade your profile with new skills and knowledge with an expert's trainer. Introduction to Silver Bullet Technologies Logistics Software. Silver Bullet Technologies, SBT, is an established US-based logistics software company that has been providing comprehensive and flexible solutions to international logistics companies since the 1990s. SBT's software suite caters to a wide range of logistics service providers, including freight forwarders, 3PLs, large importers and exporters, distributors and manufacturers, container freight stations, centralized exam sites, transloaders, drayage operators, and more. The benefits of using Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. Silver Bullet Technologies, SBT, is a company specializing in logistics software solutions tailored for freight forwarders, third-party logistics providers, 3PLs, and other logistics service providers. Their software suite is designed to streamline operations, enhance productivity, and cut costs. Here are some key advantages of using SBT's logistics software. Enhanced efficiency. SBT's software automates numerous manual tasks, such as quoting, booking, and tracking shipments, allowing employees to focus on more strategic roles like customer service and business growth. Cost reduction. By automating processes and improving efficiency, SBT's software helps businesses lower their operational expenses, including labor, overhead, and transportation costs. Improved customer service. SBT's software offers real-time visibility into shipments, enabling proactive issue resolution and providing customers with accurate updates on shipment status. Compliance assurance. SBT's software aids in adhering to applicable regulations, helping businesses avoid fines and legal liabilities. Informed decision-making. The software provides valuable data and insights for better decision-making, including trend analysis, route optimization, and enhanced customer satisfaction. For specific logistics businesses. Freight forwarders. SBT's software streamlines shipment management, elevates customer service, and reduces compliance costs for freight forwarders. 3PLs. 3PLs benefit from more efficient management of warehouse and transportation operations, improved customer service, and reduced labor expenses with SBT's software. Manufacturers and distributors. Manufacturers and distributors can effectively track shipments, lower inventory costs, and enhance customer service using SBT's software. In summary, Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software is a valuable asset for businesses in the logistics industry, regardless of their size. It optimizes efficiency, reduces costs, improves customer service, ensures regulatory compliance, and facilitates data-driven decision-making. Key features of Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. Silver Bullet Technologies offers an extensive logistics software suite designed to cater to a wide spectrum of businesses, ranging from small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, to large multinational corporations. This software is adaptable and can be tailored to meet each customer's specific requirements. Key features. Real-time visibility. Silver Bullet's logistics software provides instant insight into the status of shipments, enabling businesses to track the whereabouts of their goods and their expected arrival times. Automated workflows. This software automates various logistics tasks, including routing shipments, tracking them, and generating bills of lading, saving businesses both time and money. Data-driven decision-making. The software equips businesses with valuable data for making informed decisions about their logistics operations, resulting in enhanced efficiency, reduced costs, and improved customer service. Scalability. It's a flexible solution suitable for businesses of all sizes. Integration: the software seamlessly integrates with other essential business systems like ERP and CRM, streamlining operations and enhancing data accuracy. Customizability: tailor the software to meet your unique business needs. 24/7 support: Silver Bullet provides round-the-clock customer support. Additional key features: rate shopping: assist businesses in finding the best carrier rates. Shipment tracking: real-time tracking keeps businesses informed about the location of their goods. Claims management: simplify the process of managing claims for lost or damaged goods. Reporting and analytics: access data for making strategic decisions in logistics. Mobile app: manage logistics operations from anywhere with a convenient mobile app. In summary, Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software is a robust and comprehensive solution suitable for businesses of all sizes. Whether you need real-time visibility, automated workflows, data-driven insights, or a user-friendly mobile app, this software has you covered for all your logistics needs. The challenges of using Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software offers a comprehensive suite of tools for managing complex supply chains, but it also comes with several challenges to be aware of before implementation. Complex user interface: the software's extensive features may overwhelm new users, and its cluttered user interface can be challenging, especially for those unfamiliar with logistics software. Customization difficulties: adapting the software to specific business processes can be both challenging and costly. The vendor may not prioritize feature requests, and customizations may not seamlessly integrate with future updates. Data integration and reporting: integrating data from different sources into the software can be time-consuming and error-prone. Generating comprehensive and meaningful reports may require significant manual effort. Implementation and training: implementing the software can be resource-intensive, and training employees to use it effectively may also pose challenges. Ongoing maintenance and support: maintaining and supporting the software can be costly, particularly for larger organizations with complex supply chains. The vendor may not offer adequate support or may charge high fees for additional services. To mitigate these challenges, consider the following strategies. Thorough planning: prior to implementation, conduct comprehensive planning and clearly define business requirements. Allocate adequate resources for training and support. Phased implementation: implement the software in phases, beginning with core modules and gradually expanding. This eases the transition and helps identify potential issues. Vendor support: engage with the software vendor's support team and use their training materials to minimize implementation and usage hurdles. Data governance and integration: establish robust data governance practices and invest in data integration tools to ensure data consistency and accuracy. Continuous evaluation: regularly assess the software's performance, provide feedback to the vendor, and seek their assistance in addressing any issues. By taking these steps, organizations can reduce the risks associated with using Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software and maximize its potential benefits. What is Silver Bullet software? The term Silver Bullet software can refer to two different products. Silver Bullet Technologies Ranger API. This software is a library that provides a unified interface for interacting with various check scanners. It allows software developers to integrate their applications with a wide range of check scanners without having to write custom code for each scanner model. This can save time and money, and it also makes it easier to upgrade to new scanner models in the future. Silver Bullet Suite. This logistics software is designed for businesses that handle import and export shipments, trucking, and warehousing. It includes modules for inventory management, order management, customer management, LTL management, container tracking, barcoding, and more. It is designed to be flexible and scalable, so it can be used by businesses of all sizes. Both of these products are named Silver Bullet because they are seen as being a solution to a specific problem. In the case of Ranger API, the problem is that there are many different types of check scanners on the market, and it can be difficult to integrate them with software applications. Silver Bullet Suite is seen as a solution to the problem of managing logistics operations in a complex and ever-changing business environment. What industries does Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software serve? Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software serves a wide range of industries, including freight forwarding. Silver Bullet's freight forwarding software module is used by freight forwarders to manage their entire freight forwarding process, from quoting and booking shipments to tracking and tracing shipments. 3PL, third-party logistics. Silver Bullet's 3PL software module is used by 3PLs to manage their entire supply chain, including warehousing, transportation, and customs brokerage. Import-export. Silver Bullet's import-export software module is used by importers and exporters to manage their import-export processes, including documentation, customs clearance, and inspections. Distribution and manufacturing. Silver Bullet's warehouse management system, WMS, module is used by distributors and manufacturers to manage their warehouse, including inventory control, picking and packing, and shipping. Container freight stations. CFS. Silver Bullet's yard management system, YMS, module is used by CFSs to manage their yards, including container tracking, yard planning, and gate operations. Centralized exam sites. CES. Silver Bullet's CES module is used by CES to manage their exam sites, including appointment scheduling, test administration, and results reporting. Transloaders. Silver Bullet's transloader module is used by transloaders to manage their transloading operations, including container handling, cargo transfer, and intermodal transportation. Drayage operators. Silver Bullet's drayage module is used by drayage operators to manage their drayage operations, including truck scheduling, loading and unloading, and billing. In addition to these core industries, Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software can also be used by a variety of other businesses that need to manage their logistics operations, such as retailers, e-commerce companies, and food and beverage companies. Getting started with Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. To begin with Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software, follow these key steps. Assess your needs. Understand your specific logistics requirements, considering your operation size, complexity, shipment types, and budget. Select modules. Choose the relevant modules, example, WMS, TMS, YMS, freight forwarding, that align with your specific needs. Implementation. Collaborate with Silver Bullet Technologies team to install and configure the software, involving data migration, staff training, and system integration. Test and launch. Thoroughly test the system to ensure it meets your expectations, then launch it for regular use. Continuous support. Rely on Silver Bullet Technologies for ongoing support, including technical assistance, training, and software updates. Additional tips. Start small, begin with essential modules, and expand as needed. Involve your team. Engage your team in the implementation process for effective usage. Be patient. Understand that implementing new software takes time and effort, and work closely with Silver Bullet Technologies for a successful transition. By following these steps, you'll harness Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software to enhance efficiency, productivity, and cost savings. Tracking and monitoring shipments in Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software provides comprehensive tracking and monitoring capabilities for shipments throughout their entire journey. This functionality is essential for businesses that need to maintain visibility into their supply chains and ensure that goods are delivered on time and in good condition. Key features of Silver Bullet Technologies shipment tracking and monitoring include real-time shipment tracking. View the current location and status of all shipments in real time. Shipment event tracking. Track all events that occur during a shipment's journey, such as pickup, in transit, and delivery. Exception management. Receive alerts for any unexpected events that occur during a shipment's journey, such as delays or damages. Customizable reporting. Generate reports on shipment metrics, such as transit times, delivery accuracy, and customer satisfaction. Benefits of using Silver Bullet Technologies shipment tracking and monitoring. Improved visibility into the supply chain. Gain real-time insights into the movement of goods, enabling better decision-making and improved customer service. Reduced delivery delays. Identify and address potential delays early on, minimizing the impact on business operations. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Provide customers with accurate and up-to-date information on the status of their shipments, leading to increased satisfaction levels. Reduced costs. Minimize losses due to undelivered or damaged goods, and optimize transportation costs by identifying inefficiencies. How to use Silver Bullet Technologies shipment tracking and monitoring. Enter shipment information. Enter details about each shipment, such as the shipper, consignee, shipment contents, and carrier. Track shipments in real time. View the current location and status of all shipments on a map or in a table format. Monitor shipment events. Receive notifications for key events, such as pickup, in transit, and delivery. Generate reports. Create customized reports on shipment metrics to identify trends and make informed decisions. Overall, Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software provides a comprehensive solution for tracking and monitoring shipments, enabling businesses to improve visibility into their supply chains, reduce delivery delays, enhance customer satisfaction, and minimize costs. Reporting and analytics in Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software offers a comprehensive suite of reporting and analytics tools that help businesses gain insights into their operations and make data-driven decisions. The software provides a variety of pre-built reports, as well as the ability to create custom reports to meet specific needs. Here are some of the key features of Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software's reporting and analytics capabilities. Real-time visibility into operations. The software provides real-time visibility into key metrics such as shipment status, delivery times, and inventory levels. This helps businesses identify and address potential issues before they impact customers or profits. Drill-down capabilities. Users can drill down into data to get more detailed information. For example, they can click on a shipment to see its status, tracking information, and invoices. Data export. Data can be exported to Excel or other formats for further analysis. Customizable dashboards. Users can create their own dashboards to track the metrics that are most important to them. Here are some examples of how businesses can use Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software's reporting and analytics capabilities. Identify cost savings opportunities. Businesses can use the software to identify areas where they can reduce costs, such as by optimizing shipping routes or negotiating better rates with carriers. Improve customer service. Businesses can use the software to improve customer service by tracking delivery times and identifying shipments that are at risk of being late. Make better decisions about inventory. businesses can use the software to track inventory levels and make better decisions about when to order new products. Identify trends. Businesses can use the software to identify trends in their operations, such as changes in customer demand or shipping costs. Overall, Silver Bullet Technologies' logistics software's reporting and analytics capabilities are a valuable tool for businesses that want to gain insights into their operations and make data-driven decisions. Best practices for using Silver Bullet Technologies' logistics software. To maximize the benefits of Silver Bullet Technologies' logistics software, consider these key best practices. Define clear objectives. Start by outlining your specific goals for using the software. Tailor your software usage to align with these objectives. Gain team support. Secure early buy-in from your team to foster a shared commitment to the software's success. Provide adequate training. Leverage Silver Bullet Technologies training resources and other online materials to ensure your team is proficient in using the software. Data cleansing. Before implementing the software, cleanse your data to ensure accuracy, as clean data is vital for the software's effectiveness. Regular usage. Consistently use the software to monitor shipments, manage inventory, and optimize your logistics operations. Frequent usage leads to greater benefits. Utilize support. Don't hesitate to reach out to Silver Bullet Technologies support for assistance with questions or issues. Stay updated. Stay current with software updates provided by Silver Bullet Technologies to ensure security and access to the latest features. Following these practices will help you make the most of Silver Bullet Technologies' logistics software. Troubleshooting common issues in Silver Bullet Technologies' logistics software. Troubleshooting common issues with Silver Bullet Technologies' logistics software. Login problems. Ensure you are using the correct user ID and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. For further assistance, contact Silver Bullet Technologies support. Data not saving. Click the Save button after making changes to data. Check your internet connection. Contact Silver Bullet Technologies support if the issue persists. Report generation issues. Verify your report parameters are accurate. Ensure your data is up to date. Contact Silver Bullet Technologies support for help with report problems. Slow system performance. Close unnecessary programs or applications. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Reach out to Silver Bullet Technologies support for assistance with slow performance. Unfamiliar error messages. Refer to the Silver Bullet Technologies knowledge base for error message explanations. If no solution is found, contact Silver Bullet Technologies support. Specific task assistance. Check the Silver Bullet Technologies user manual. Watch training videos provided by Silver Bullet Technologies. Contact Silver Bullet Technologies support for task-specific help. Keep it concise and user-friendly to quickly address common issues. The future of Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software and logistics management. Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software is poised for a promising future with a strong commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. The company is continually enhancing its software to maintain a competitive edge in the logistics industry. Here are some key trends shaping this bright future. AI integration. Silver Bullet Technologies is at the forefront of AI integration in logistics management. They are investing heavily in AI research and development, with a focus on automating tasks, enhancing efficiency, and improving decision-making in logistics operations. Cloud computing adoption. the company is partnering with top cloud computing providers to offer its software as a cloud-based solution. This move simplifies implementation and access, enabling businesses of all sizes to benefit from Silver Bullet Technologies' logistics software. Data analytics emphasis. Silver Bullet Technologies is developing advanced data analytics tools that empower businesses to collect, analyze, and visualize logistics data. This data-driven approach helps identify trends, improve decision-making, and optimize logistics operations. Sustainability focus. With an eye on environmental responsibility, the company is developing features to assist businesses in reducing their carbon footprint. This includes optimizing truck routes, reducing fuel consumption, and minimizing waste. Silver Bullet Technologies' dedication to innovation, coupled with customer-centric strategies, positions them as a long-term leader in the logistics software industry. Their commitment to staying ahead of industry trends ensures a promising future for their logistics management solutions. Silver Bullet Technologies Logistics Software Certifications. Silver Bullet Technologies Logistics Software is certified by Microsoft as a gold-certified ISV, independent software vendor. This certification means that Silver Bullet Technologies has met Microsoft's stringent requirements for software development, testing, and support. Gold-certified ISVs are considered to be experts in their field and are able to provide high-quality solutions to their customers. In addition to being a Microsoft Gold-certified ISV, Silver Bullet Technologies is also certified by a number of other organizations, including the Transportation Management Software Association, TMSAS, the Supply Chain Management Consortium, SCMC, the Warehouse Management Systems Association, WMMSA. These certifications demonstrate that Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software is a high-quality solution that meets the needs of businesses in a variety of industries. Here are some of the benefits of using Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software that are related to its certifications. Increased confidence. Businesses can be confident that Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software is a high-quality solution that meets the needs of their industry. Reduced risk. Businesses can reduce the risk of implementing a new software solution by choosing a product that is certified by reputable organizations. Improved access to support. Businesses can be assured that they will have access to high-quality support from Silver Bullet Technologies and its partners. In addition to the certifications listed above, Silver Bullet Technologies is also committed to quality and continuous improvement. The company has a team of dedicated professionals who are constantly working to improve the quality of its software and services. Silver Bullet Technologies is a trusted provider of logistics software solutions. The company's certifications and commitment to quality demonstrate that Silver Bullet Technologies is a reliable partner for businesses of all sizes. Reporting and analytics in Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. The average annual salary for a logistics software consultant at Silver Bullet Technologies in India is approximately 643,362 rupees, based on a 2023 Glassdoor survey. Salaries can range from 412,500 rupee to 950,000 rupee per year, with variations influenced by factors like experience, specialized skills, location, company size, and performance. Salary expectations can differ based on experience. More experienced consultants typically earn higher salaries. Skills, specialized skills or industry-specific knowledge can lead to higher pay. Location, major cities like Bangalore and Mumbai tend to offer higher salaries compared to smaller towns. Company, larger, multinational companies generally provide higher compensation than smaller, local firms. performance, consistently meeting or exceeding expectations can lead to salary increases. The career outlook for Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software consultants is promising. The demand for these professionals is expected to grow as businesses increasingly rely on technology for logistics management. Potential career opportunities include Project Manager, responsible for planning and overseeing projects to ensure they meet quality, budget, and timeline requirements. Solution Architect, designs and implements technology solutions to meet business needs. Technical Consultant, provides technical expertise and support to businesses. Trainer, offers training on how to use Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. Sales Consultant, sells Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software to businesses. With experience, consultants can advance to senior roles like Senior Consultant, Director, or Vice President. They can also transition into management positions such as Project Manager or Solution Architect. Why choose Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software online training? There are many reasons to choose Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software online training. Here are just a few. Flexibility. You can learn at your own pace, on your own schedule, and from anywhere in the world. Affordability. Online training is often more affordable than traditional in-person training. Convenience. You don't have to travel to a training location, and you can access the training materials from any computer or mobile device. Consistency. The training materials are always up to date, and you can be sure that you are getting the same high-quality training as everyone else. Variety. There are a variety of online training courses available, so you can find one that fits your specific needs and learning style. In addition to these general benefits, there are also some specific benefits to choosing Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software online training. These include access to Silver Bullet Technologies experts. You will have access to Silver Bullet Technologies experts who can answer your questions and provide support. Real-world scenarios. The training materials include real-world scenarios that will help you apply what you are learning to your job. Hands-on experience. You will have the opportunity to gain hands-on experience with Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. Networking opportunities. You will have the opportunity to network with other Silver Bullet Technologies users. If you are looking for a convenient, affordable, and high-quality way to learn about Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software, then online training is a great option. Advantages of choosing Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software online training. Here are some advantages of choosing Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software online training. Convenience. You can learn at your own pace, on your own schedule, and from anywhere in the world. Cost-effectiveness. Online training is often more affordable than traditional classroom training. Flexibility. You can access the training materials whenever you need them, and you can review them as many times as you want. Interactivity. Online training often includes interactive exercises and simulations, which can help you to learn the material more effectively. Up-to-date content. Online training is often updated more frequently than traditional classroom training, so you can be sure that you are learning the latest information. In addition to these general advantages, there are also some specific advantages to choosing Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software online training. The training is designed by experts in the field of logistics software. The training is comprehensive and covers all aspects of the Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. The training is hands-on and includes practical exercises that will help you to learn how to use the software. The training is affordable, and there are a variety of payment options available. The training is supported by a team of experts who are available to answer your questions and help you with any problems you may encounter. If you are looking for a convenient, cost-effective, and flexible way to learn Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software, then online training is a great option. Why choose ProExcellency Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software online training? ProExcellency offers top-notch online training for Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software, and there are several compelling reasons to choose us. Authorized Training Partner. As an authorized training partner for Silver Bullet Technologies, you can trust that our training is always up to date and accurate. Experienced instructors. Our instructors are certified Silver Bullet Technologies professionals with in-depth knowledge of the software, ensuring you learn to utilize it to its fullest potential. Flexibility and convenience. Our online courses are designed to fit your schedule and pace, making it easy to learn at your convenience. Affordability. Our training courses are cost-effective, making them an excellent investment for anyone looking to master Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software. Furthermore, opting for our training can bring you these additional benefits. Increased productivity. Learn to automate tasks, freeing up time for strategic activities. Improved accuracy. Reduce errors and enhance data precision. Enhanced decision-making. Access critical information for better business decisions. Cost savings. Streamline operations to cut costs. Improved customer satisfaction. Deliver top-notch service to boost customer satisfaction. For a comprehensive, affordable, and hassle-free way to become proficient in Silver Bullet Technologies logistics software, choose ProExcellency's online training. Thank you. Contact details. Phone 0803150868 +918722079509. Address: Bangalore, India. Email: affin@proexcellency.com, /info@proexcellency.com.